Hello there, STEM students. My name is Mr. Remillard from Campus Middle School. I'm just going to give you guys a quick introduction here on how to access SketchUp for Schools, as well as a resource that you guys can use in order to access some really cool small projects in order to make you more comfortable with using SketchUp for Schools. So the first thing on this main document that you have already clicked on, you should have already clicked on here in order to access this video. We've got key shortcuts. If you read through there, it explains how you can save some time when you're actually designing something in SketchUp for Schools. Then underneath that, we've got lots of really cool instructional videos on how to make different things in SketchUp for Schools, such as pirate ships, cars, rocket engines, etc. However, I want to show you guys how to access SketchUp for Schools. So what you're going to do is you're going to go open up a new tab in Chrome. It's really important that you try and use Chrome. I've been finding that that's where SketchUp for Schools works the best. Make sure that you're logged in up here where it's your Cherry Creek email address. And when you do that, you're going to click on these 9 dots that are here, and you're going to scroll down to the very bottom where it says SketchUp for Schools. So once you go ahead and you click on that SketchUp for Schools, sometimes it takes a little bit of time to load. So sometimes you gotta wait. But eventually it's gonna load on up and you will see a home page that looks like this. And this is all my different projects and some of my students' projects. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up here where it says create new, and you're gonna click on that. Now notice it says simple templates, feet and inches, meters and millimeters. All that's doing is that's showing you the different sizes or the different units that you could use. So if you're making something really small, you're going to want to use millimeters. Something bigger would be meters or feet and inches. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to click on, we'll do feet and inches for right now. So once you do that, that's going to open up SketchUp for Schools. Now, you obviously want to always make sure to title it something. So let's say that you were starting to make the turtle sandbox. Okay, you could say turtle sandbox. Click OK. And once you do that, it'll allow you to actually, this is a step that I forgot actually. What you should make sure to do first is you want to make sure to create a Google Drive folder in your Drive first. That's titled SketchUp. Then you can actually save the your project in your SketchUp folder. And then, so I click SketchUp, I click select. And then what I would do is I can actually go back to that resource page that I had up before, and I can start working on that turtle sandbox by clicking on the video here, and it'll instruct me on how to make that turtle sandbox. So hopefully, with that information, you know how to at least get started on SketchUp for Schools and make some really cool stuff.